Master the art of survival and expansion on Immortals Progressive Island, a mobile game that will test your strategic prowess like never before. Your island's lifeblood flows through its resources at the start. You'll be focused on gathering wood and stone. Tap on designated resource nodes, lush forests for wood and rocky outcrops for stone. Initiate collection as you progress. You'll unlock food for your growing population and gold for advanced upgrades and recruitment. Prioritize building structures that enhance resource production, like lumber mills and quarries. Ensure your storage buildings are sufficient to hold your ever-increasing stockpiles. Building strategy is key to unlocking your island's full potential. Start by constructing essential production buildings, then focus on defensive structures like walls and watchtowers to protect your hard-earned resources and population. As your island expands, you'll unlock new building types. Think about your expansion route. Will you focus on rapid resource growth, military might, or a balanced approach? Upgrading your town hall is crucial, as it unlocks new buildings and technological advancements, allowing you to build a truly progressive island. Victory in battle demands smart combat tactics. Your units are your shield and sword. Each unit type has strengths and weaknesses. For example, melee units excel at engaging enemy fronts, while ranged units provide crucial support from a distance before engaging. Scout your enemy's composition. Deploy your units strategically, using the terrain to your advantage where possible. Focus fire on the most threatening enemy units. Don't forget to upgrade your keeper's abilities and your unit's equipment to gain the edge in any confrontation. By effectively managing your resources, planning your building strategies, and executing precise combat tactics, you will transform your humble island into an unshakable fortress and a testament to your strategic brilliance on Immortals Progressive Island.